do something different today. I've been needing to do it anyway, so I'll show you guys how to do it. This is going to be how to change a tail light bulb, turn signal bulb, reverse light bulb, whatever, in a pickup truck. Now, whether it be Ford, Chevy, Dodge, these are going to be practically the same. This is an 04 Ford, so for this particular application, you're going to need an 8mm socket and a 3057, a 3157, whatever bulb. This one takes a 3057, and I wanted to show you guys how easy and simple this is. But before we do that, why don't you go ahead and click the like button on the video, the subscribe button, and click that bell notification there button, so you get all my newer videos that I upload, because I got a bunch of stuff that should be coming here soon. As you notice, we try to stay towards the smaller engine stuff, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this while I'm talking. We trying to stay towards the small engine stuff, side by sides, four-wheeler, go-karts, etc., etc., mini bikes, all that. It's just gonna have these little bolts. Now, some of these trucks might have Phillips heads, they might have Torx heads, but it should all be this simple and easy to do. Now, some of the vans, like the Chrysler Town and Countries, they're just as easy like this to do. Car tail lights and stuff are pretty easy. You pop the trunk, and then usually there's a flap on each side. You just pull that flap back, and usually they're 10mm bolts. Some are hand twist, and all that stuff. So you got to give this tail light a pull. Don't be scared of it. Just give her a pull. Now it'll be this bulb here is blown out on mine, which is the top. This is a 3157 bulb, which I should have got to put in it, but it's okay, not a big deal. The 3057 will work. Should be fine and dandy. Put that back in. This just twists. And should be good to go. And then you put, there's little holes right here, little grommets and little metal tabs. Just put those in, go like this, boom, done. If you haven't checked out any of my other videos, make sure you do that. I got a bunch of cool things on there. I got videos on the kids' Chinese go-kart, and I got videos on the side-by-sides, and I got just a bunch of little different things. We don't try and focus on one thing. We try to bounce around a little bit to keep everybody happy, and plus it never hurts doing this little bit of DIY stuff. What am I thinking? I'm thinking about beer. I ain't even had one yet. DIY and at-home improvement stuff. Now, you see how fast that took me to do that? Okay, you know what, you're gonna pay a garage to do that? They're probably gonna charge you a good 50 bucks or more to do it. And the bulb, it only costs like $3 or $4. They're probably gonna charge you $10 to $20 for that bulb, and then they're going to charge you a half hour's labor, which is 30 bucks, so you do the math. And that's at a $60 an hour rate. If it's an $80 an hour rate, then they're going to charge you 40 bucks, so you're going to have $60 in this bulb that you could have changed by yourself with the most minimum amount of tools that most everybody has in their household. If you got a little set of tools, you got an 8mm socket, or you got a Phillips head screwdriver. So you can do it in a matter of 2 minutes for 4 bucks. And then what you do is you take that money that you was gonna pay a shop and you pay it to yourself. You just go, self, you did all that work for me, saved me money. I'm gonna take the 4 bucks out of that 50 bucks and I'm gonna go get myself some DQ. So when I'm done here, I'm gonna go get myself some DQ with the money I saved from not paying a shop to do it. But I wouldn't pay a shop anyway because I work at a shop, so I really shouldn't be telling you this, but you need to know. So shh, don't tell anybody a mechanic told you. Now we're gonna find out, and we're gonna see if this turn signal works. I don't know if it works or not because it'd be flat. It works good, tubes. It works good. It was flashing fast before and kept having people. It's been bad for about a month and a half now. And I've been having people honk at me and say, hey dude, your turn signal's out, your brake light's out. And I'm like, yeah, I know, I'm just too lazy to fix it. So now we fixed it. We made a YouTube video on it to show you guys how to do it. That way, you know, you could save yourself some money. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. In today's society, you gotta save money. You shouldn't be taking this little stuff to a mechanic shop anyway. I mean, them guys, they like the easy gravy stuff. You know, I do. But really, when you get an honest mechanic like me, you kind of feel bad charging somebody that much for something so little. Now, don't get me wrong, some bulbs, usually like headlamps and stuff, it does take forever in a day to do, because some of them you're gonna have like an hour or so in it, and it sucks. I've had some cars where you had to pull the bumpers off, and it sucks really bad. But I've managed to find my way around pulling a bumper all the way off. I got my secrets, so. But you still charge for what time it calls. So if you look it up on a computer, it says it takes an hour, and you do it in 15 minutes, you still charge that customer that hour to do that. And that's how shops make money, is by doing that. So they don't have to do a 5-minute job and only make a couple dollars out of the hour. Because believe it or not, you got time and billing and answering phones and all that stuff don't make no money. So, but I just wanted to show you guys how to do that, just in case you wanted to do it and save yourself some money. No problem. And an update on the side-by-side, it is still in the shop. They got it in today to look at it and get the parts ordered for it. The leaky shock, that's my 800EX. And the water pump seal on it. So we shall see how that goes and how long it takes them. That place where we take our side-by-sides for warranty work, they're slow. They suck. What you doing, baby?
Just was checking out there to make sure that stuff wasn't wet. It was okay.
Oh, okay. It didn't get wet in there?
No, it did. Not in that corner right there where they are.
Okay,
So
good.
that's good.
So I got a problem in the garage where the back storage part of it, water likes to come in there, and it flooded the garage out. So there's a hill behind my garage. So next year I'm gonna have to hire somebody to come in and dig a hole and put some gravel and stuff in there, and probably a drainage pipe to drain it, the water from back of the garage up to the drainage pipe in the driveway or something, so we don't have that happening. And then our basement got a little bit wet, a little bit, not much. It leaks in the they got like a wine cellar on the outside of the basement. It's weird. I don't like it. I wish somebody would have just filled it in with dirt and got rid of it. But water leaks in through there. Not a whole lot, only when it rains heavy, and it gets a little wet. So not a big deal. We could probably seal it up somehow. I don't know. So I got to get somebody to fix that too. And our furnace is still out. We're waiting on the new one. We'll get it next week. But those are the updates, and it's been hotter than heck here, so I haven't been out in the garage much at all, which sucks. I miss my garage, but it's hot. I don't want to die. So I've been doing just little videos like this for you guys. As soon as it cools off here, we got plans to build a buggy. So we'll be doing that. I don't know, I might save that for the winter time though, so I have something to do since I won't be riding the toys as much. So we might, I don't know, we'll see. But I'll keep stuff coming for you guys. I'll keep more informational videos coming. I just want to do this little one for you tonight and everything. I'll have it posted up Sunday, so you'll see it Sunday sometime. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, please check out the other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell, because I do have some plans for some awful cool stuff. As soon as I get everything caught up with the house is top priority, and it's cutting into my YouTube budget. So yeah, I gotta have a furnace, gotta have a new furnace, and there's a couple things we want to do and everything that we gotta do and all that. So yeah, maybe once I get the furnace back, I'll take the air conditioner back that I bought and take that $400 and put it towards YouTube videos. I don't know, I might just save it for a backup, because obviously you need one. So all right, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for supporting my channel. Thanks for checking out my links. I'll have links below as to where you can get those bulbs, and I'll put like the most common bulbs on a car on there. It'd be your job to figure out which bulb you need, but for the most part it's 3057 or 3157. Either one bulb will work in just about any car these days. So I mean, it's like I said, it's up to you to figure out which one you need, but they're basically, they'll work. I just put that 3057 in there and it'll work good. So not always do I put the correct bulbs in cars. It doesn't matter. I don't even know what the real difference is, honestly. I know some of them have different tabs on them that lock in differently, but most of these cars, they just go right in. Not a big deal. So, but it's up to you to figure out what bulb you need. Now I'll put good bulbs in the description, and it'll be on Amazon, so it'll be cheaper than your parts store bulb anyway. You'll just have to wait a couple of days for it and that. And like I said, if you got any questions on how to do a particular one on your particular model car, just comment in the description. Just comment and I'll help you, because I'm a mechanic. I do this stuff every day, all day. So there's cars that I've done where I can just tell you, hey, you need a Torx on whatever size, and you need to pull this or pull that, and it's like a 5-minute job. So all right, guys, Redneck Garage out. Peace.